YouTube, what's poppin'? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 10 electronic logging devices that you can use with any vehicle in this trucking industry. If you don't know what an ELD stands for, it is a electronic logging device, meaning guys that your insurance company, even the brokers that you choose to work with, can see your activity. They can see if you're driving, they can see how fast you're going, and they can just see if you're a safe, reliable driver. So in today's video, there's no surprise, I'm going to be going over actually 12 ELD websites that you guys can get signed up for and get an ELD, because if you do decide to get this ELD, your insurance rate will go down by 10%. Not only your insurance will go down by 10%, but brokers love to see truck drivers that have ELDs, and more likely they will be able to work with you even if you only have 3 months of new authority. Because if you don't know by now, if you are a new truck driver, whatever vehicle you're in, cargo van, box truck, and semi truck, you do have to have over 3 months of authority, 90 days of authority time to start getting these premium loads, because a lot of brokers are declining new drivers because they're just scared, because they might not be reliable and they might have rookie mistakes that they might do, and that's just not acceptable in this industry. Things need to get moved fast and no mistakes are necessary. If you don't know me by now, my name's KINGLATTA. This is Black Investors Group, where we do make investing easy, and I have started a cargo van and a box truck business at the age of 19, and it's my job to get you started in this trucking industry the easiest way possible. And guys, I do have dispatching loads. I do offer dispatching services for only $15 startup deposit and only $10 a week. So go ahead and check the link in the description. Email me at lottamanagement@gmail.com, and you guys can start getting dispatched for the cheapest rates ever. But with all that being said, man, stay tuned for more after the intro. Let's get it. Woo! Alright, what's good YouTube? So as y'all can see, man, we are on the laptop, and this is our first ELD that we're going to be going over. But man, I'm sorry that I'm not in the corner today. I'm sorry that y'all can't see me. This is going to be a faceless video. I did give y'all a I did show y'all my face in the intro, so yeah, man, we're not gonna be over here. My camera is having technical difficulties, but y'all probably don't care, so let's get right into these ELDs. And for the first one, we do have Big Road. That's BIG Road, as you can see in the link right here. And then this is the website it's gonna take you to. It's gonna take you to fleet tracking quotes. Now, on my list of ELDs that I had, this whole list was provided to me from my insurance agent herself, and I got all of these ELDs, guys. We have 12 that we're going to go over with you. I got all of these ELDs from my insurance agent herself. So these are what Progressive allows. This is what Progressive works with, and so does many other insurance companies, because you know, any insurance company would take any ELD. But Fleet Tracking Quotes has multiple ELDs on here. I know I had about 15 on my list, and 3 of them actually took me to this exact same website. So we're just gonna go over one of them. So our search is now limited to 12 ELDs I'm gonna be going over. But man, don't sleep on this video. Don't skip anything, because you do want to know which ELD is the best for you, which one is the cheapest to get, and which one is gonna give you the most features. So we do have Big Road GPS Fleet and Tracking Solutions. So go ahead and make sure you guys are on that. So you can go to vans and trucks, and then you can go to your fleet management. You got 1 to 5 trucks, man. And what feature is the most important for you? I'd say the ELD, you know what I'm saying, or the real-time GPS tracking. So you know, it's up to you. So let's just go to the ELD, and then you will put in your street address. So let's just put in 105 you mean, boy? You mean, boy? You mean, you know what I'm saying, 105 you mean Street, you know what I'm saying. So it's an invalid address, but I mean, you get the gist of it. You go to the ELD you want. On here, you pick your options, and then you put in your information. So on to the next one, we do have Blue Ink Tech. So on blueinktech.com, you guys can see the link right there. Copy and paste it, screenshot it, do whatever you need. They do have the Bit Dash Cam, and they do have many other services for you. So they do have a quick install. All you do is plug it into your truck's diagnostic port, and that's what's going to be the gist of most of these ELDs I'm going to be going over with you guys. They have a remote video. You can get videos from your truck's dash cam, and also driving alerts. So make sure that your drivers are taken care of, you know, yeah, things like that. The dash cam So you can go up here to services and go to ELD right here and start requesting a demo. So if you request a demo, that means that your ELD might just be free for a couple days or whatever. So one tap login certification. As you can see, this is what the app kind of looks like. Break, drive. So all of your movement will be tracked. So that's kind of a good thing and a bad thing. But as long as you're making your way to your pickup spots, guys, everything will be good with you and these ELDs. So you won't have no problems with your broker. If you're not speeding, you won't have any problems with your insurance, and this is just good all the way. So that is Blue Ink Tech. I think that's enough said about that, and let's go on to the next one, on to the third one. We do have Continental VDO USA, man. This is a road log as well. So over here on Continental VDO, all right, so this is how it looks right here. And pretty much simple, man. You just will see which one is the cheapest for you, which one you want to go with, which one looks the best, which one is the most easy installable, if that's a word, you know what I'm saying. Which one can you install the easiest and the quickest. So actually right here, let's go to commercial vehicles, instrument cluster, single gauges. They have all types of gadgets for your commercial vehicle as well that you can buy over here. And I believe this is the ELD right here. I'm confused of which one it is, but I think it's this one. All right, so they might have two. This is the road log, and see, this one is a little bit more complex, you know what I'm saying. They got cords and stuff. Some of them, they just need like blue ink. Hey, bump it, man. Let's go to the next one. I was trying to find you guys a comparison of these ELDs, but as you can see, this one has cords and all of that. It's like multiple parts. Most of these ELDs only has like one box, and you just plug this right here up to it and it'll be good to go. So let's go on to the fourth one. We do have easy logs. So we have easy logs on GoFleet. So this one, you actually have to type in easy logs like this, easy logs ELD and truck navigation, and this is the website it will take you to. So let me just make sure we're not, yeah, see GoFleet, but let me just make sure we're not tripping, because look at this. Yeah, you know, we're not tripping, you know what I'm saying. Same website, easy logs over on GoFleet, and this is what it looks like. So like I said, much more easier. It's just one device, you just plug it in and you're ready to go. So over here we can go actually get some prices here. So most of my guys on this channel are on van and box truck. I guess we can look at a car as well, just in case you might want to get some cheaper insurance on your personal vehicle. But man, the ad just took me away. But yeah, so let's go right here, and then we have 1 to 4 because we probably only have 1 or 2, and we got GPS, and that's all we pretty much need. Enter your email. Man, so you have to enter your information right here, and for video purposes, we don't have time for all of that. I'm just trying to get you guys the best ELDs out here. This is number this is number 4. We have 6 more to go, so make sure you guys stay tuned in today's video. Don't skip anything. But before we get on to the next one, if you want to make money the easiest way possible, man, please go ahead and check out the videos in the channel, man. On the trading, guys, you can make unlimited amounts of money with these trading strategies. And right here, guys, I have 2 charts brought up, but this is going to make you a lot of money in the future, guys. And if you really put your brain to it, if you really try to learn market structure and what these charts do on a daily basis, and really just study it, eat, sleep, and breathe it, you guys can start making, you know, $40 a day, $100 a day, even, you know, thousands of dollars a day, to even $20,000 a day, guys. It's professional traders out here making literally $20,000-$40,000 a day off of binary options. And if you want to learn how to trade the easiest way possible, go ahead, click the videos and the channel, man. Don't be scared. Learn how to make this easy money. You can make thousands without even leaving your home, on a computer, without even dealing with people. So go ahead, check that out. Back to the video. For the 5th low board that we have, not low board. I do be going over a lot of load boards as well, so y'all make sure y'all go ahead and check out that video right here on a bunch of load boards that you guys can get for a very, very easy way and just start getting on this road. But we're going over ELDs, man. This is not a load board video. I'm so used to doing those, but this is the ELD. And this is another one. It's called Samsara, as you can see, and pretty much self-explanatory as well. You can actually see live tracking on this one, and exactly for this one you can go to check your prices, and it'll probably bring you to another email screen, guys, 1 to 2, and it's probably more likely going to bring you, put your email in again, and they will send you the email to your email, you know what I'm saying, and you'll get the rate. So that is Samsara. And yeah, guys, if you have any questions, you know, go ahead and drop it in the comments, and I will get at them. I do respond to all comments. Look at this sexy little box right here. But so far, guys, I'm liking the Go Tab Go. You know what I'm saying? I'm liking that Go fleet. It's so small, so compact. Can't even tell it's there. This one's a little bit bigger. You know, it's actual wires. So it's just up to you, man. They might be cheaper than this one because they have this nice little device right here, and they don't. So they might be cheaper. But I'm liking this live tracking, and yeah, guys, you can tell how many miles is on your vehicle. And this is good for rental cars as well. If you guys did want to get into a two-row or a hire car business, let me know if y'all want a video on how to get into a rental company business, guys. Rental cars, rental trucks, all of that, and I will drop that video. So let me know in the comments, man. Don't forget to comment, and I will drop that video. But we don't go nowhere yet, because at the end of the video I will be going over the best ELD. I will be going over the best ELD company, and this company is partnered up with a load board that you can get exclusive premium loads for your cargo van. This website, this load board that I'm going to be going over at the end of the video, along with the ELD, they have more cargo van loads than any other load board out. So stay tuned to the video. Back to it. Woo! We do have another one. For the sixth one, we do have Garmin International. So over here on Garmin International, it will take you to this site right here, Clutchfield. And but they do have all of these products right here that you guys can get. This is actually a very nice watch. But the dash cams, they have the ELDs over here as well, even a fitness tracker. Look at that, guys. So yeah, a lot of things that you need over here on Garmin International. Spelled like this, I spelled it wrong up here, but yeah, GARMIN International. Go ahead and get started with that. It is gonna be on Crutchfield, and if I refresh this, there you go, right there. You know what I'm saying? That's the link. Copy and paste, do whatever you need to do. And on for another ELD, we do have Motive. So this one is actually called Keep Trucking ELD. So if we go ahead and refresh this, it'll take you to this site right here, gomotive.com, and this is the #1 ELD, so they say. We'll see about it, but you know, we have 1 to 4, and then you email and put in all your information. I just don't get why they can't give you a quote on the website instead of getting your information. But you know why, guys? It's called marketing. Once they have your information, they pretty much have you as a customer. They could keep sending you emails to keep reminding you to buy this ELD. But yes, guys, 50% fewer hours of service violations, 50% time saved on compliance tasks, 25% reduction and insurance costs. So this one is saying that they can give you 25% reduction, but most insurance companies are only gonna give you about 10 to 15% reduction. So this is Go Motive. The ELD is called Keep Trucking, and we're gonna keep going, you know what I'm saying? So for the next one, we do have JJ Keller. This one is pretty self-explanatory. All you have to do is type in JJ Keller, and the website will pop up, unlike most of the other ones. And you can get these ELD. FMCSA denies ELD exemption for small motor carriers. Hold on, you know what I'm saying? What's this about? And then it says that FMCSA published an application for exemption from the Small Business and Transportation Collation. So this is pretty much saying that if you are a smaller carrier, if you are an independent contractor with a cargo van that you don't necessarily need this ELD. But if you are a semi-truck and a box truck driver, you're definitely gonna need it. When I was in the box truck industry, I did not have a electronic logging device. It didn't have a problem with this whatsoever, so it's not stressed. But like I said, man, you want savings, you want better loads, go ahead and get this ELD. So that is JJ Keller. On to the next one. We do have links up. So on this links up, GPS tracking solutions as well, fleets for all sizes, and tracker, pretty much everything that ELD has to offer. Electronic driver logs for FMCSA compliance. So FMCSA does want to see your driver logs. You also have to do inspections at your local weigh stations in your state. So for the FMCSA inspection, they are going to do a couple of checks on your vehicle, a couple of checks on your authority, and that's going to be at your local state weigh station. So keep that in mind. I hope that's some good information. If it was, don't forget to hit that like button. But anyways, on to the next one. Let's get this video going. We do have Teams Flow. So on Teams Flow on Truck X, guys, this is another one as well. Go ahead and screenshot this. ELD, dash cam, asset tracking, and sensors. As you can see, look at that thing right there, bro. That looks cool. So on to the next one, because this video is getting kind of long. I wasn't expecting it to be long. It's already at 14 minutes just on this screen recording. So on to the next one, guys. The second to last one, we do have TransFlow. So on TransFlow, it's fleet management systems. They have ELDs. They have all the products that you need. All you have to do is contact sales. You can get the products right here, man. Over on there you go. Velocity, yeah, all this stuff, whatever this stuff is. So on to the last one. But before we get to this last one right here, man, before we get to it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss out on this easy way to make money. We do have everything from trucking to crypto to credit to even making online businesses the easiest way possible, guys. Literally 8th graders can learn how to make money. So if you're a 30-year-old, 50-year-old person watching this video right now and you're still watching all the way to the end of this video and you're still not motivated to subscribe so you can make the money the easiest way, because you see the title says 10, it says 10 ELDs, but I just gave you 12, so we go above and beyond. So make sure you subscribe. You don't want to miss out on this, and just think it's only gonna get better. So for the last one, we do have OmniTrax. So over here on OmniTrax, guys, this is, like I said, it's gonna take you back to, I believe this was the first one, but it's a different like website looking type thing. But yes, on OmniTrax. Why won't it let me go back, bro? Like, I'm trying to end the video up and my computer won't let me hit the back button. But it's called OmniTrax, guys. As you can see right here, OmniTrax. Let me just type it out better for you. And this is where you can find, more, OmniTrax right there, ELD, OmniTrax, or you can go OmniTrax right here, ELD. This is this is the correct website. And I put this last, guys, because this website right here is also partnered with Select This Loadboard, and on Select This Loadboard they have a lot of cargo van, box truck loads, semi truck loads, but a lot of more cargo van loads than any other load board. And it's spelled like this, Select This. So at most of my videos I do give you a little bonus, and this is going to be the bonus right here. So boom, there you go. You can get loads for your cargo van at Select This Loadboard right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, man, don't forget to like, subscribe. And my name is KINGLATTA, and we out. Woo! I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, man, on these ELD websites. I hope you guys go ahead and pick out 2 that you want to start using. Don't sleep on the ELDs. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you can save 10% on insurance, and as well as you can start getting loads booked for you more easily through these brokers, because now they see you're actually professional. And guys, if you have 90 days of authority or less, then this ELD will be good for you, because brokers will more likely work with you since they see that you're all the way fully 100% set up. And if you do want to go ahead and start getting these dispatching services, check out the link in the description at thelottamanagement@gmail.com email, and I will start getting you loads, guys, the premium loads for box truck, cargo van, and even semi truck, man. So go ahead and check that link out below and start working today, man. Start working tomorrow. No games played. Send the money and I will send you the load loads so that you can make even more money, man. So with all that being said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, man. Don't forget to like this video if you already haven't liked it. Like, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Like the video, subscribe to the family, because we do post every other day on this channel, and we're gonna go up together, man. I love y'all, and with all that being said, we out. Woo!